So, you've got this killer online store idea, right? You've got the branding, the website, maybe even a few products. But what about sourcing? How do you find high-quality products that you can sell without breaking the bank? Well, today, we're diving into one of the easiest ways to do just that, Spocket. Spocket is a fantastic platform that connects you with suppliers worldwide. It's like your personal product sourcing assistant, helping you find trendy products that you can easily integrate into your store. The best part? You don't have to worry about shipping logistics or inventory management. Spocket handles it all. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Create a Spocket account. Head over to the Spocket website and sign up for a free account. It's a simple process that requires basic information like your name and email address. Step 2. Connect your store. Once you've signed up, you'll need to connect your online store to Spocket. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect your store. Step 3. Explore product categories. Now, the fun part. Explore Spocket's vast product catalog. You can browse through categories like electronics, fashion, home goods, and more. Use the search bar to find specific products or filter by category, price, and shipping time. Step 4. Add products to your store. When you find a product you love, simply click the Add to Import List button. You can customize product details like the title, description, and price. Once you're happy with your selections, import them directly to your store. Step 5. Manage your orders. When a customer places an order for a Spocket product, Spocket automatically fulfills the order. You will receive notifications about order status and shipping updates. Spocket takes care of packaging, shipping, and tracking. Tips for successful product sourcing with Spocket. Niche down, focus on a specific niche to attract a targeted audience. Prioritize quality, look for products with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Check shipping times, choose products with fast shipping times to keep your customers happy. Monitor reviews, pay attention to customer reviews to gauge product quality and supplier reliability. By leveraging Spocket, you can streamline your product sourcing process, save time, and grow your online store. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring Spocket today and take your business to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.